People want to know if this fun. Hell yeah, this fun, man. I'm having the time of my life, man. Now I see why you white people love the water so much, man. No off.
Get off.
No, I ain't ready.
No.
No, man. As a matter of fact, you can turn some music on so we can get to grooving.
Want to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Keep it going, man. Keep the boat rocking, baby. Oh, man, I almost fell and drowned it myself, man. You see how deep this damn water is? Damn, man. Hell no, man. I wasn't killing myself right then, boy. I'm going to stay on the boat. As a matter of fact, y'all, I appreciate y'all coming to check me out. And I want all of y'all to get on a flotation device and go get in the water.